Hey Globetrotters, so today we got a late start because it snowed here in Atlanta. I feel like I escaped none of New York's weather because it is very cold here. But today we are planning, and hopefully we'll be able to see the Hey Brown Girl You're Beautiful mural and get something great to eat. I'm not sure what else is on the itinerary today. Whose dogs is that? The dogs just run free? Okay, let me show you these dogs that just rolled up. Like look at them. They just rolled up into people's yard. Don't know where they came from, but came from across the street deep. Like they know I wasn't from Atlanta or something. But I plan to see the Hey Brown Girl You're Beautiful mural and then go get something great to eat, and hopefully we could do it in a timely fashion. And yeah, that's the plans for today. So without further ado, let's just go. Oh, you just want the writing? You don't want the face? No. Okay, alright. And like full body if you can. Okay. Ready? Hold on. Hold on, I'm trying. Go ahead, mommy. Thank you. So it is dinner time, and I'm hungry. The place that I wanted to go was Hattie Marie's because I wanted some real southern food, but we cut it too close. So instead we are at Mary Mac's Tea Room. It's like a 30-minute wait before we could get seated, but it looks really cute on the outside. It's famous for southern comfort food. I think I'm gonna get I want some like mac and cheese, and I don't know what else, but that's what I do know. Some like mac and cheese and fish. So yeah, Mary Mac's Tea Room and some southern comfort. Food has arrived. I got the fried catfish with mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, and it came with some hush puppies, it looks like. So let's get a first taste. You want to pray first? Oh yeah, oh sorry, that's what you're doing. My bad. Oh, we don't hopefully go ahead. Well, I mean, okay, we're about to say grace.
Father God, thank you for this food. Thank you for the safe. Please let it nourish our bodies. If there's anything bad in it, please don't let it get into our bodies. We thank you and give you all the glory. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen. Alright, first taste. With mashed potatoes.
Get it, catch it, don't touch it. You see it over there if you want to go grab it. It's right there if you want to go grab it.
Mashed potatoes is good.
What do you think is going to happen? Excuse me, sir. What is it? You want a fork? Oh, water just hit me.
Did I get you?
I was like, I'm sorry. My whole life is about to be like upset. I'm like, oh my god, water from the ceiling is hitting me. Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Like everything's contaminated, the whole table. We can't eat nothing now. Nothing. Oh, Jesus.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad it was lemon. I'm just happy it was lemon. I'm about to start screaming.
My bad. So the macaroni and cheese may be a little bit too rich for me, but let's get into this catfish.
This French fries is delicious though. Because she thought she was a sweet looking young man. Yeah, it's all the rage. You're a New Yorker, guy. Okay? That's how we do. First and foremost, you're a Christian. Then from there, you're Irish.
Catfish is nice.
What is the liquid in with the macaroni and cheese?
It's like butter.
Is that butter? You're
Yeah.
lying.
It's butter.
Oh, that's gonna kill somebody. Oh my god.
Food is really good.
What?
Time to eat. So dinner at Mary Mac's. Tea room was absolutely delicious. The service was immaculate. Like, let me tell you, Southern hospitality is a real thing, and it's only confirmed every time that I come to Atlanta. Food was delicious. Everything was delicious. Like 10 out of 10. We're on like a 10 out of 10 roll right now in Atlanta. So we had a 10 out of 10 at Mary Mac's, 10 out of 10 at Bell Street Burritos, and a 10 out of 10 at Sublime Donuts. Hope we keep this 10 out of 10 streak going with places to eat in Atlanta. Today was really successful, so until next time.